at that level. You know, so when men don't enter side party like this, and they call it the only woman not there to groove. Only man with the imaginary woman.
Yeah.
You understand? So you just,
Oh, who are you guy?
No. See, that time they for party and it don't red rich where woman not there. Because the two guys they groove.
Yes.
So
They're going
that's the spoil eye, eh? I think two women, if you understand. You know, that's what they form sex, they do themselves, you know, they touch themselves. Okay, we feel here. Okay. But two men, especially some Igbo boys, the way money in their hand. They call the whole man, they hold the man like, come here. Hey. They molest you anyhow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Late Night Show. We love you. Too much love from us and every. No, bro. Oh, I'm short of words. You know, when you short of words, just talk rubbish.
Just talk.
What did you say? Say, maybe I cannot explain it. You understand? It's deep. You know,
so
it's deep.
Man.
You know, on my native P today.
Oh yeah.
You know, now. You know, sometimes one person tackle me one time for Instagram. Say, you wear native. I say, waiting. Your man a native doctor. Say, must we come and be wearing native to go? Want to speak pidgin English? What's struck to you? You understand? Because one change you hope P.
Change up.
Because people don't feel say because we in our Zobia, then we must
they do like
they wear native, they wear agbada, they tie rapper, they do wear apple.
They put beat for neck.
They put beat for them. They come to do yo. What's the worry now? We can still wear our suits.
Sit on up.
You say what's wrong with you?
Good.
You know how many corporate men that did this world where they still wear their corporates.
They speak their language.
They speak their language. You know, so we got to change them. You understand me now? All right, so when I welcome again on top of the Late Night Show, and of course, my name, Ogbos, baby. Thank you. I love you too. I love you. Yeah, and they hear that they scream for house. They throw different things for the television, you know.
They hear them?
Yeah, they hear them. Some of the throat things they come on.
Okay. But you know, imagine say that they do like this.
Who? No, not men. Not men. Not men. When they look their wife, they shout, the men do like this. Please have off that TV.
I don't know yours is like.
Say about yours is like. Just say, don't on the gen. Don't on the gen. No, leave it. On the ones and twos, DJ Easy Beats.
It's Mr. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
Now there you know say. And then say pause don't finish. When Easy Beats like this. Pause don't finish, oh. Like this. Hey, Adeya, peace. Hey, they do it for those that one.
Right.
Just swell up for them like bread in the truth for water. Anyway, now welcome. And today's show, we just do the best way we feel do to put small laughter for your face and of course make you just sleep very, very well. All right. So sit back, relax. The show don't start. No go anywhere. All right. Easy Beats, yesterday, that time I was sing with that guy.
Okay.
With Nothing Do Me.
Yeah.
I want person feel your voice.
Are you
I see this. Easy Beats voice, oh good. Easy Beats, one advice I'll give you.
Yeah.
You remember Solomon for Bible?
Yes.
My brother, be careful. You remember Samson for Bible? Be careful.
Samson did that.
No, Samson.
Samson get hair too.
He can't get hair. You understand? Samson, we will tell you get muscle.
You can't get muscle.
Because the guy they will put full city gate.
They
see things, you understand?
But
so Samson will be say, now one girl, now just spoil everything. There was a Delilah. You understand? A Delilah. Say it after me, a Delilah.
A Delilah.
There was a Delilah.
A Delilah.
You know, when a Delilah comes into your life, it seems very sweet in the beginning. No, but as time will have it, as time goes on, there will be a falling of your destiny. It can affect your destiny. Say no to Delilah, because there are Delilahs out there who are sent out to affect your destiny and, of course, frustrate your ministry. I don't know about you, but every time it's a blessing time. There are Delilahs out there. It will not be your portion. If you are a Delilah, give up. Give up. give up the ghost. Give up the ministry. Okay, you're supposed to be my assistant pastor.
You know what make me laugh? After you don't do all those ginger, I don't feel you just call offering. How?
No, that's what they happen sometimes. You have to give an offering now. So some offering when they call it, you'll be like, I'm good, I'm fine now. You never ginger I was rich now.
Come on.
Offering. You understand? So that Delilah's out there. Solomon Shah. 1,000.
1,000. Starboy.
The council. 1,000.
You get 700.
700.
You cheat on them with 300.
My pastor will say, you get 700 wives, can't get 300 side chicks.
You cheat on them with 300. Bro.
I didn't write the timetable. That means every year, maybe like on Valentine's Day, for example, you all none of them out for stadium. I want to take day okay with everybody. Maybe none of them go say, I want to touch my husband. They can't line. You know, as basketballers, they just enter. They do it like this.
Hey, they know the way you touch.
I say, I touch you. But no, easy, please. So easy, please be careful.
Okay,
be careful. You know, what they like, they tell you, women go to hail you. It can make you miss your destiny.
Can
all right,
very, very well.
Yeah, so no more hailing for easy bit again. Please keep careful. Coco of the day.
Make a tell them the cocoa. I make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa.
Yeah. Oh. If I tell them the cocoa, 1, 2, 3. Coco number 1. Bagong. Yeah. Bagong.
Okay.
All right. Now, person verse enters that social media, Facebook. No say when we small.
Yes.
Some kind assignment they will carry give you.
Okay.
You say go no say this assignment. Now my uncle now go solve am. Naturally, assignments wey they give children for school suppose be to test the pikin knowledge of when they don't teach them for school that day or that period. But some teachers them for school they send give pikin. No be for the pikin to solve. Now for the learned job like that way would always play. Uncle, I thought you say you know how to solve the thing. They said, how the different. You can't go give some parents or some guardian or some uncle. They're not confused of them. So they're going to carry the tea come house at the next way they don't mark Odo for you. You can't carry, Daddy, we fed it. Now me and you fail out. See this one now. This gate lady go Facebook now. She says she didn't vex am. Now until she talk with this. I am very certain that when I become a mother, okay, she first started with posting image of her 5-year-old niece on top Facebook, where they give an assignment. They give in Smalley, in niece assignment for school. 5-year-old girl. He said, see the assignment. He said, which kind of rubbish be all this one? He said, I'm certain that when I become a mother, my niece, when I become a mother, my children are in this country, I'm going to be the scourge and headache of some schools. Now he said she will begin many schools because of the kind of assignment that they give some children. He said last year my niece was given an assignment on figures. A girl that was 4 years old, you asked her to write 50 to 100, and you asked her to write such on a 2A exercise book. You didn't rule the pages of the 2A. Now 2A is supposed to be for something else. 2B supposed to be for writing all those things and Because okay, you can't say I make it write 50 to 100 on top 2A. She can't talk plenty things. Say, even the mama don't understand what's happening, but the mama can't say the girl no can't write the assignments. Can't they beat the Smalley, the 5-year-old girl. So based on the beat now, this in Antina can't the verse. He say no. Say that is supposed to be 2B. Why they go write that kind of assignment? Make sure you go down on top 2A.
Top 2A.
Say why? Say all the teachers they don't get sense. Talk. Last, they can't give them 2B. The girl can't write the thing where, man. So this one now they provoke. Say all this assignment that they give them for school. Say the teachers they use their brain, give the assignment. So sometimes they give the assignment to the parents or to the guardian, not to test the pikin knowledge.
And just the parents.
And assignment at the same time supposed to play another role too of testing you as a teacher how you don't take impact for the children. Because if you're a teacher, you give assignment to 50 students. All the students come back, they fail everything. Now I'm saying you not teach well.
What are they?
You understand? It means that you not teach them the thing well.
Yeah.
You get me now? So, based on the thing, that the woman, they rant. She can't talk one thing, made me laugh when I read this gist. He said last time, he said it's not for your house one day for Badagry. Now I they hear nursery rhyme. Which, normally, no be all those... the day is bright after. Or wherever you go. We will be area. I say go. Go enter inside. He can't say left, right. He came. Ikebe no dey help the owner.
About left, right.
You say, which kind useless rhyme with that one? Say for school, say our teachers no fit stop the students. They encourage them. Left, right. Ikebe no dey help the owner. But no be lie. Teachers make una take more caution, abeg, to make sure say una dey teach children well. Because anything wey they learn at a particular age, it don't already form something for their head. You understand? They will carry on. So please, now we do Mama Jollof rice, the day is bright, it's bright out. And when they sing out with a passion, oh happy day, the day of joy, the day is bright, it's bright out. Oh happy day of joy, Mama Jollof rice. You see today, Mama Jollof rice. It can sweet us, eh? All right. Okay, now the first gist. She talk of the also other one. Say, imagine say they take make students then pay for excursion. See that time when all of us small. You say excursion. Maybe they go one far place.
They go to Azez, they go.
Now one far place. You say this is the excursion. Now ShopRite. And they go there. She vex, so let me small vex. Heavy vex. So please, teachers, parents, I do na body. And as it be like this now, not begin, because then they pay school fees for nothing. School fees, they increase every time.
They increase every day.
So make another self nothing that they do, all right? So cocoa number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
All right. Inside Eritrea. As the matter take be now, and I say some men for this country now, we don't they already reason say one wife not do them again. For Eritrea now compulsory polygamy. Compulsory. They say for Eritrea now, men don't discuss past women. So every man, you must marry at least 2.
At least
2 for Eritrea. At least 2. That means if you marry
by force?
4, 5. Not by force. Not by force. See the rule now. They say due to shortage of men. See this. You get a picture where they show us now. See the man face. The guy face. For the guy face, the guy don't look say how he want to take.
Do that one.
How want to take care of these 2 now? Say the government now they will give him money, make him take care of the whole level. Because to manage 2 women,
I'm smart,
one never. You know how many men they say to say if you marry, be ready for pocket. You understand? Or hustle. They can't give you 2 once. Say, uncle, start. Don't worry. Lord is your strength. You can. Me, come on. They say every man shall marry at least 2 women, and the man who refuses to do so shall be subjected to life imprisonment with hard labor. So if you not agree, life imprisonment with hard labor, not just life imprisonment. With hard labor, you go to break stone inside prison. Say you not agree marry, so that means now at least like 2 now. Wow. And the constant carry and go. They say any woman will not agree make her husband marry second wife. Now the woman too will be imprisoned, punished with life imprisonment.
I won't ask one question, but I will ask him later.
If you package and ask him, because some people might need to learn from it.
Okay. What about maybe based on some people with their religion over there, not permits to?
My brother, you go pack. You go pack. Because as it be like this now, I trust some people there for this side of the country, of the world. See when men go the pack load now. Now where they go? Now Eritrea. If you marry more than 2 for that side, you understand? Because some men just say, man, now it's a buffet. You wake up, anyone your hand touch. Wow. Nah, just wake up and anybody your hand touch is the next level. Different places and their own tradition these days. Eritrea. Mandatory polygamy. Now what? How now see the whole level? What do you think? You would like to go there? Easy. You would like to go Eritrea?
Go do it.
If you not like to get like 2 wives.
Nah, one.
What if the government they give you money?
How you won't give me money? Say make I gonna handle 2 wives. Now what if they can't stop to they give me money tomorrow when I don't marry 2 wives already?
Why they take negative?
Because nothing they free, my brother. Don't worry.
If you don't like to do 2,
So, now one day okay.
Imagine say one just day on her time of the month. The other one will just.
Now one. Yes,
one can't get belly. And you say for the next few months.
I don't know why they want to put Baba things on my mind.
No, because at the same time, some men they think now. So I just happy at the reasons of men reasoning.
One. Okay, yes.
Okay. You tell me you like the idea as the man where you be or you be woman. How you feel for the whole team. Now you did their own position. Let us not top Twitter. All right. So finally, cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
All right. They don't catch one old woman.
Yeah.
Male 59 years old. They say Male dig well for inside the house, can't connect the well to NNPC pipeline. So they move fuel. They go ask Male, what happen? Male say, don't baby, I just wake up, I just see fuel, they enter my well, it won't. And the next thing, I just see some boys, they carry jerry can, they come, I don't go tell the NNPC, they don't agree come, They can't say, I forgot to tell police. Now they don't call arrest me. They don't arrest me, see, mama. They say they don't arrest me for the whole thing now. 59 years old woman, what I want to take her do? So, but the woman say she don't tell NNPC people. Those ones don't make move. So she just can't lock up. He say, but stay in her house. Say, but steady said some guys, they come to the house with jerry can, different things, they move. Now two things. If you be say, she just, they very ignorant about the thing. Just look, say, okay, I don't go tell NNPC. If the young boys from my area who like me, they go, they collect. You know, concern me. At the same time, if you guys go know what thing they happen, say, okay, now nothing go happen. 100 naira per fetching. You understand? I no go phone on a fetch.
Yeah.
The man that settle me. You understand? Because I don't pass the age to come the form fetching. So now two things. But you as a person, you know, like I don't first talk before for my former program. I beg you very, very careful. You know,
very careful.
Ignorance is never an excuse.
Very, very
as far as the apple for your koro eyes like this, be very, very vigilant.
Inside house.
Now, inside for the well there. Not today. You know how many people don't do this thing? I don't know of some kind of things like this before in time past. Inside their well, and then they operate everything. You know? Some people that's from where they pass wire, they take flight from another street. We ain't no area where we go for area. You just move for street, just say one house lights just there.
Maybe off.
No generator off. No generator they on. Just say lights just in the house.
2-4.
Junior, how far one again? I said, don't worry. You can't find where they pass wire now from where? Then they pass wire from the next street. Just connect wire, pass wire, enter the next. Just see lights. Yeah? So things they happen. All right. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.